Hi Nitya, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, Ramesh. How about you?
I'm good, brother. Thanks for asking. And are you
Yeah.
ready for mock interview?
Yes, yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Sorry, I'm not able to show my face because my computer doesn't have the camera.
Mm,
Also,
mm, mm.
yeah, I don't have feasibility to show my face as well. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, let's start. And yeah, okay. So you have a interview tomorrow, right? In NTT data, which
No,
we referred
today. No,
today.
today only.
Today
Today.
only. Acha, today
Yeah.
only. Okay, fine. All
Yeah.
the best, and let's see this mock interview how it goes. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, yeah, let's begin the show. And can you please
Mm.
introduce yourself, Nitya?
Yeah. Thanks for asking. Myself, Nityanandam. I have completed my engineering in Sri Vidyaniketan Engineering College in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Post that, I have joined the Cisco as an apprentice, where I have worked on Cisco Identity Service Engine, which works on replay uh, server like authorization, authentication, accounting. Where there I have worked as automation engineer, and we used to solve the tickets which is raised by the customer. Post that, I have joined a Wipro as a project engineer. There I have working on Cisco switches and routers, where we used to do troubleshoot the issues which is raised by the customer. Based on the tickets, we used to resolve the issues. Yeah,
Good.
and I have good understanding about CCNA and automation tools like we use Paramico. In depth, I not, but uh, here and there I have the good understanding of automation also in the networking side. Yeah,
Oh, that's great. Okay,
yeah,
yeah, fine. Okay, so yeah, can we start basics? Like, it's a nice introduction, fantastic.
yeah.
And yeah, so can you please let me know what is DNS? Can you please tell me what is DNS?
Yeah, it's a domain name server. It resolves the IP address of text to it converts text to IP address. When you type a www.com, it has system doesn't understand the
Hmm.
English words, so it will convert IP address.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, yeah,
So, can you please briefly overview how exactly the DNS process? Like when you type www dot
yeah,
currently you're working in Wipro, right? Something.
yeah,
So when
yeah.
you type wipro.com,
Mm,
okay,
mm,
from
mm,
your computer, what
yeah,
exactly will happen? Do you know the process?
yeah. I know the process.
Yeah, please explain just
Yeah.
overview. Yeah.
Yeah. Firstly, when you type www.com, it checks in cache, system cache, if it's already there or not. Then it will check. Then if it is not there, then it will check with ISP. That is called or iterative query. Uh, recursive query.
Mm-hmm.
It sends a recursive query to ISP,
Okay.
whether it has the type which Wipro.com or not. If it has, it sends the non recursive query, non-recursive query. Then it will if it doesn't has ISP doesn't has, it will ask for the root server, that is called iterative search. Then in root server, it points to the like which where it is where it is stored to TDLs. There we have .coms, .ins, so it will point to there. So I don't have the current address, so you can reach out to here. So again, it is a iterative query, so it will come to um, ISP, and again it will go to TDL, top domain levels. There it will search for them. If still didn't find there, it will go to last is authority server. So authority server is it has the mapping of DNS to IP address. From there it will search to ISP, and then it will give to system, which is squared by the user.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. So just so you just ISP you can just use DNS resolver keywords. Okay.
Okay.
All good. Explanation is good, but the focus on keywords. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. DNS
Yeah.
resolve.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So and now let's consider a scenario based question. Okay. Coming to
Okay.
switch.
Okay.
So draw a topology like switch A, sorry, computer A is connected to the switch. Okay,
Okay.
so it is connected to the port number FA0/1. Just an
Mm.
example, and the
Mm.
port is belongs to VLAN 10.
Mm.
Okay,
Will and
now and that
mm.
switch is connected to the another switch,
Mm.
and between the switches, whatever the
Mm.
port it is, right?
Mm.
FA0/2 here and FA0/2 there as well.
Yeah.
Both here on switch one, the FA0/2 port is belongs to VLAN 10.
Okay.
Okay, and
Okay.
other switch it is belongs to VLAN 20. See, the thing is there are
Mm.
two computers connected to the two switches individually. Okay,
Okay.
and they are
Okay.
connected. Those two switches also connected to each other. Okay, one second.
Okay.
Let me share
Yeah.
my screen. Okay,
Yeah. Sure.
let me share my screen and you will tell me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Sure. Sure.
okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, I'm able to.
Right. Okay. See here. Okay, this is one computer. This is
Okay.
PC1.
Okay.
Okay, and now
Okay.
consider this is switch
Okay.
and this is switch. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
now and there is a one more switch here. Okay,
Mm.
switch one, switch two.
Okay.
Okay, the
Yeah.
question is
Mm.
like this.
Okay.
It is connected. The interface is like this. Okay, okay,
Okay.
whatever it is. Now the thing is, whatever this port is belongs to VLAN 10. Yeah.
Mm. Mm.
Okay, this is
Mm.
also VLAN 10,
Okay.
and here it is VLAN 20. Here it
Okay.
is VLAN 20.
Okay.
Now here also this is VLAN 20. This is also VLAN 20. Okay.
Okay.
My
Yeah.
question is the PC1 IP address is 192.168.1.1 slash
Mm.
24.
Mm.
Okay. 192.168.1.2 slash 24. If I'm trying to initiate a ping from PC1 to PC2, will it ping or not? That's my question.
No, Ramesh, it will not ping because first E0 is VLAN 10
Okay.
and this switch 2 is entering into VLAN 20. Different VLANs will not send the packets. So we need to use trunking here. So then it will send the packets without tagging these VLANs, and
Okay.
then it will reach to this.
Are you
Uh,
sure? Are you sure?
yeah, I'm sure.
Okay. What is VLAN basics, which I explained you before? So what VLAN will do? How exactly VLAN works?
So whenever we pay, yeah,
Okay.
when
Okay. You tell me now. I just pinged
okay,
it. ICMP echo request is generated. Okay.
okay,
And this request will come on this interface, right?
yes,
Now
yes,
this interface is uh, belongs to VLAN 10. It will add VLAN 10 tag.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, it
Yeah.
will add the
Now it will broadcast to all the ports which is belongs to VLAN 10. It means the frame will arrive on E1 as well.
okay.
Now tell me, when is exiting this frame, what
Mm.
exactly it will happen?
So it will add the VLAN 10 tag to
It will
here.
here, yeah, it is added here.
No, no, no. Oh, sorry, sorry. Yeah. Now
Uh,
VLAN 10 tag will be removed and it will send to VLAN 20.
1 second. It
Yeah.
is removed now. It is sent to
Uh,
VLAN 20, and now
yes.
here it is received on E1 interface, and
It
here
will.
it will add
Yeah.
VLAN
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
VLAN 20 tag,
20.
right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Sorry. Yeah.
VLAN 20 tag, and
Yeah.
now it will go to here, and while
And
sending out,
yeah.
it will
It
untag
will.
it and it will
And
go to the
yes.
now
Yes. Yes.
request arrives on PC2 and reply also will come, right?
Yes.
Same way. So you
Yeah.
said it will
Same way.
not ping,
Sorry. Sorry. Yeah.
and this is very big human. So that's
Yeah.
why I'm telling you in the class also, do
Yeah.
not cheat by this
Mm.
topology. This topology is, you know,
Mm.
people are playing with your mind by giving this kind of topologies.
Okay.
Sometimes the VLAN 10 is assigned here, and they are
Okay.
saying that who will
Mm.
tag this VLANs. You will
Okay.
confuse PCs. No, PC will not understand VLAN tags. Only the switches. Switches
Yeah.
will
Yeah.
tag it. Okay,
Mm.
understood
Mm.
that. So
Yeah.
do not confuse with the topology. Always feel like when you're talking about computer, when you're talking about switch, you feel like I'm a switch. If you are a
Okay.
switch, how you will behave? So
Yeah.
visualize that way and tell
Mm.
the answers. Now
Sure.
you
Sure.
said right, it will
Yeah.
ping
Yeah. It
irrespective
will
of
be.
topology. Just
Yeah.
packet flow is very important.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
So you need to check the VLAN concepts once again. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
This is very important. Okay, fine. Now the thing is, now it's once again, it's
Yeah.
35/135 and slash 27. Will it
Mm.
ping or not? If I initiate a PC1 to PC2, now it will ping or not. This is /24/1.1.
Mm.
This is /27 1.35 IP addresses. Now tell me, will it ping or not?
Yeah. Let me go
Yeah,
through it.
please take your time.
Yeah. No, Ramesh, it's a different network. It's 1 minute. Continue. Hello, Ramesh.
Yeah, yeah, please tell me.
Yeah, it will not ping Ramesh because uh, it's two different networks. Hello.
Okay, how you come to know, how you say both are in two different networks?
Uh, because here it is /24 means and here it is /27. So when you send this when you ping, right, it will calculate the this one IP address and subnet of this. When you ping this 192.168.135 in your PC1, it will calculate that it is same network or not. It do under operation between IP and subnet mask. So then it will know it is a different network. Then it will not ping.
Can you tell me again?
Yeah. In PC1, if you initiate a ping like 192.168.1.35,
Mm-hmm.
okay, it checks, okay, then first with this IP address and subnet mask of it, PC1 subnet mask and IP address of which you are pinging, it will do under operation between that, and it will check it's a different network. I can't ping this
Sorry, I lost the speech, man.
again.
My
Huh?
my my side only. Yeah, please can you repeat?
Yeah, in PC1, if you initiate a
Yeah.
ping like 192.168.1.35, it will checks that it is in same network. Not how it will check. Uh, First, it will do under operation between IP address and subnet mask of it, and it will check in under operation. It will know it is a different network. Then it will not ping.
Okay. Yeah. So you mean on what basis you will come to know both are in same network or different networks?
Doing under operation between IP address and subnet mask of PC1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So it means
Hmm.
PC2 IP address is in different network, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
How you will saying it based on
Under operation.
after under operation what you will get?
Uh, no, after under operation, there is a difference between IP address and subnet mask.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great. Okay. So yeah, you're good at this, and yeah, moving forward, what is DHCP options?
Huh?
What are the DHCP options?
Option one is for subnet. Option three is for sorry. One is for subnet. Option three is for one minute. Ramesh. I can I'm able.
Yeah, please, no problem. Good.
Yeah. Option one is for the subnet. Option one is for subnet. Option three is
Okay,
for router ID.
very good.
Option
Not router
six,
ID, router gateway. Yeah,
sorry,
yeah.
router gateway. Option
Mm-hmm.
6 is for DNS.
Mm-hmm.
Option 50 is for lease time. After option
Option
51,
option 51 is for
release time. Lease time.
yeah,
Option 50 is for your IP. Option
yeah,
IP
requested IP,
requested
requested IP.
IP.
Yeah,
Yeah. requested IP. After option 53 is for server IP.
54, server identifier.
Okay,
Option
50.
server identifier, right? Option
Yeah,
54. Yeah, yeah. Good man. Good, good. Okay. So you know Dora process, right? Very well.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I know.
Okay. Cool. So can you please tell me how that TCP will establish between client and server? Suppose I'm trying to establish a connection with the server. How TCP works?
Okay, first TCP, first it will send the synchronization to the server from sync bit. Then it will sync bliss bit and acknowledgement bit will send to the again to the client. So with the client, again it will send the acknowledgement bit to server. So this way, three-way handshake will occur and it will establish the connection.
Okay.
Yeah,
So do you know control bits?
yeah, I know. Control
Okay. What are those?
in TCP, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
TCP. What are those?
Yeah. Uh, sync. There is flags. Uh, um, Control bits are like synchronization, acknowledgement, urgent, reset, fin bit, uh, and and yeah, six
Yeah.
control bits are
What
there.
are
Yeah,
those? Yeah. What are those?
synchronization, acknowledgement,
Okay.
reset,
Okay.
fin bit,
Okay.
urgent bit,
Okay.
and reset bit.
Okay.
Yeah,
Anything? Okay. All six are covered.
yeah,
Tin,
all six are covered.
Tinac, push.
Yeah,
Did you say
act, yeah,
push?
act, push,
Mm-hmm.
reset,
Mm-hmm.
fin bit, urgent bit.
Okay. So when push bit will set to what?
Uh, when a data should without buffer, we want to send to the send. So that time push bit will be set. For
Can
example,
you
in
give me
video,
the? Yeah. Yeah. Please.
yeah. For example, in video streamings, we take a control of other systems, so we will operate it. So that time without buffer we have to use that. So that time it will use push bit will be set, and without buffer it will send that data. For example, if you mouse over on it something, it will without lag we have to use it. So that time push bit will be set.
Okay.
Mm.
Set correct only, but you need to phrase it correctly. Like when you
Mm.
take any device remotely, you're trying to
Okay.
access that device, right? If you type anything here, it is quickly displaying other remote device as well, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that is urgent data. That is a immediate important data. It should go to the
Mm.
application.
Yes.
Okay, that time push bit will set one. Right. Good.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. And are you familiar with any protocol? Which protocol you're familiar with, like routing protocols?
OSPF. I am familiar with OSPF. Hello. Uh,
Yeah.
you lost.
Yeah. Yeah. Please tell me. OSPF, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. OSPF. BGP also I'm good, but good at
Okay.
OSPF.
So what are the OSPF packets? Please tell me.
Hello packet, TBD packet, yeah, LSA update, LSA request, LSA update, and LSA acknowledgement. These are the five packets.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you please tell me how many OSPF states we have?
We have seven OSPF states.
Okay. What are those? Please explain the OSPF adjacency process.
Yeah. First is downstate means there is no establishing this, but the OSP is configured, but it is in downstate. After that, it will come to initial state when other neighbors also started. It comes to initial state. In initial state, it sends the hello packet to the neighbor.
Okay.
with a with a multicast.
Okay.
Okay, in
Mhm.
the domain. Then in that multicast in that hello packet we have um, router ID, area ID, um, version type,
Mhm.
authentication type, and all. It
Okay.
will send to neighbor. In neighbor, it will checks all these things. If it
Mhm.
is good, it will send a two. It will send its own router ID whichever we send to that,
Mhm.
and it will send that. In it will then it will come to two-way state. In two-way state, uh, there is a in broadcast domain. We will establish the DRBR elections.
Okay.
Okay. In DRBR election, DRBR elections will occur.
Okay.
After electing the DRBR elections, it will come to um, extract state.
Okay. Okay.
In a, yeah, after that, in extract state, it will check. Uh, there
What?
will be master slave.
Okay. What
Uh,
packet will exchange in start state?
uh,
You said the packets, right? How many packets we have in a OSPF?
DBD packets. Sorry.
Okay. Okay.
DBD packets will be exchanged in extract state,
Mhm.
and and there will master slave election will also occur
Okay. Good.
in the extract state. After that, it will come to exchange. In exchange, it will send the
Yeah.
it will exchange DBD exchange packets.
Okay. Fine.
Uh, uh, then coming to loading state, here it will ask for LSA. If any networks are missed or anything, it will send the request. If
Mhm.
any, then it will uh, acknowledge, and everything happen in this LSA in exchange state.
Okay.
Then sorry, in loading state, then it will come to full state. In full state, all these states are happen. Sorry, all these s- states are exchanging the packets. Then it will run the Digista algorithm, or we can call it as SFP algorithm. There, uh, it will find the best path to from router neighbor to neighbor. Yeah.
Mhm.
Mm.
So if it is stuck in start state, what will be the reason?
In extract state, um, MTU mismatch will be happen. Uh, yeah, MTU mismatch is
Okay.
happen. That's why it is stuck in
Okay.
extract state.
So
Yeah.
is there any other reasons other than MTU miss?
Yeah. Master slave is not elected. That's why we can. It is stuck in extract state.
Master slave, yeah, master slave will not be elected. That's why it's
Yeah.
stuck in start state. I'm saying, what could be the
Mm.
reasons? What could be the reasons?
Okay. Reasons is like there is no priority. Which one should master and which one should slave.
Hmm.
That's why if MTU mismatch means uh, one side it is 1000, like MTU is 1500, and other side is like the 1200. So that will be mismatch. These are the reasons it is stuck in
Okay.
extra state.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Mm.
what is VRRP?
A virtual router redundancy protocol where it is used for uh, we can configure a single gateway, and it's a virtual redundancy protocol. We
Okay.
can configure one default gateway to uh,
Okay.
a router, and we can use it plenty of. Let's say we are using different networks,
Hmm.
so we can't configure different default gateways. That's why we configure one gateway, and it will we can use it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is stubby area?
Huh?
What is stubby area?
Yeah, if you configure stub area LSA type 5, it is
Mm.
external LSA, it will not allow. It will not allow the external file LSA, and it will install default gateway.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want to send the packets to outside of others, you can. It will transfer to the default gateway. It
Okay.
travel through the default gateway. Yeah, and LSA 4 type also it will not allow because LSA type 5 is not there. That's why LSA 4 is also no need.
Okay, that's fantastic. And
Mm.
uh, and the question is typical questions like, what is the
Mm.
port number of BGP?
BGP port number. E, e,
Yeah.
e-
Which port
um,
it will use?
BGP. Not sure, sir. Hello.
Yeah, you're not sure.
Uh,
BGP uses
yeah.
which protocol? BGP.
So 443 HTTP 80.
Man, BGP. I'm talking about BGP. Do you know BGP? Basic.
Yeah, yeah, I know BGP.
Yeah. So what is the port number which BGP use?
Um, uh, Not sure about that.
Okay. So do you know anything about BGP?
Yeah, yeah, I know.
So
Like how it forms adjacency process and
so where we use BGP actually?
um, in BGP is used in to connect external internet to our organization. Like for example, if we have one organization, we have all the information, but we want to access the uh, other things also. We establish the BGP.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you heard about autonomous systems numbers?
Yes, autonomous system numbers. Yeah.
So suppose two ISPs, each ISP have their own autonomous system number, right?
Yes.
If
Yes.
if you want to configure a protocol between autonomous system numbers, two different
Okay.
companies, what protocol you choose?
Uh, uh, can you come again?
So if you want
Hmm.
to configure a protocol between the autonomous system numbers, what protocol you choose?
PGP,
Okay.
EBGP we can use.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
that's what I'm saying.
EBGP.
You can just say like two different autonomous system.
Okay.
If you want to configure a protocol, you use BGP. Yeah.
Yeah. PGP
So
in that
what?
EBGP.
So BGP uses TCP, right?
Yes. Yes.
What is the port number?
179.
That's what I asked you on the beginning. You said I'm not sure. You know the things, but you're not able to recall it. Okay. So
Okay.
BGP port number is 179. BGP uses TCP and port number is 179. You know the
No,
things.
yeah, I thought that it is for three-way handshake establishment. We use that 179 port.
No, man. Yeah, the each and every service is having port number. BGP
Yeah.
is also a kind of service. It is having 179. It
Yeah.
establishes a three-way handshake process with the port number 179. It
Okay.
means it's BGP, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Sorry for that.
And no problem. Okay,
Yeah.
just be aware it. Okay,
Yeah.
if you
Sure.
don't understand the question, ask multiple times to the interviewer. Okay.
Sure. Sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
you're saying correctly only, but you're not looking confident. You're
Okay.
saying the correct answers, absolutely
Okay.
correct answers. But
Okay.
the confidence, see, the interviewer will check only the confidence and the
Mm.
precise things. Okay,
Okay.
be
Mm.
confident, be active. Okay,
Mm.
whatever you're saying is correct answers only. All are correct answers.
Mm.
The only thing is like you're saying things like a doubtfully kind of stuff. You know the things,
Okay.
okay, but it is
Mm.
appearing like that. So be confident. So yeah,
Okay.
be confident and your voice should be also loud. Maybe what I understood is now
Mm.
you
Mm.
may be in in office, right? So you're not able to speak proper. I mean confidently. Like
Yeah.
if someone heard about this, it's not good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, no, I'm in separate room only.
Okay, then speak confidently, okay?
Sure,
So
sure.
good man. I'm happy, but BGP little, cross check it, okay?
Okay.
The BGP states and all, the
Mm,
BGP, okay?
mm,
And
mm,
VRRP and LAN and basics, network fundamentals, everything, whatever I teach you, I think
mm.
you're good at that, okay?
Yeah.
So yeah, fine. Okay, you're good at
Mm,
that, and I'll upload this video and you
mm.
can watch it. Okay. And
Sure.
while asking some questions, I was not able to get it because due to some, you know, that's why I asked you
Internet.
multiple times. Okay, cool then.
Okay.
All the best, and prepare
Mm,
well about port numbers and the services and real-time scenarios. Okay, what
mm,
kind of issues you will recently they might ask you like
mm,
have you gone through any critical case? Like, have you
mm,
received any critical case?
mm,
And what is your what is your you know how can I ask this? Like what is your participation to resolve
mm,
that issue? Like how
mm,
much hard work, how much effort you did to resolve
okay.
that issue? What is your
Mm,
analysis? Okay,
mm,
what is your role on that issue? Like what you have done that?
mm,
Take
mm,
one example, like any real-time issue, like BGP
mm,
flapping or anything. I
mm.
told you, right? I gave you the examples.
Yes, yes,
All.
yes.
Just take one
Yeah.
example, prepare
Mm,
well. Hey, I
mm,
recently I came across this issue. I
mm,
joined quickly on the meeting. I did all
mm,
this troubleshooting. I identified and
mm.
I resolved like this. Okay. So
Sure,
always,
sure.
since you're experienced candidate,
Mm.
always pick the protocol issue, not the hardware level issue.
Okay,
Pick
sure.
the protocol issue, like
Yeah.
BGP flapping, MTU
Mm,
mismatch, path MTU
mm,
discovery, or
mm,
BGP flapping. You can say continuously BGP flapping.
mm.
Maybe what cause you go through have you gone through that video, BGP flapping video?
Yes, yes, I
Yeah,
have
take
gone
that
through.
example and explain it. They will
Mm,
ask you.
yeah.
Okay. So what
Yes.
kind of tickets you will get, like P1, P2 tickets? Tell them. Customer
Mm,
excellence, customer
mm,
operations, how you. So
mm,
always remember this thing. In
mm,
case
mm,
if during the issue you need to
mm,
ask the customer, is there any impact?
mm.
Okay. So because they are losing millions of dollars, right?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
have to resolve that issue. Troubleshooting you can do it. RCA you
Mm,
can do it later. You need
mm,
to
mm,
fix the issue at any cost. Like the interface was down,
mm.
so they replace SFN fiber cable. Okay,
Yeah.
but issue is still down. The port itself it's faulty. So
Mm,
simply what you need to do to recover the services, you need to configure another port quickly.
mm.
Connect to the another port.
Redundancy.
Not redundancy. There is a spare port is available.
Yes, yes. Mm,
Configure the configure whatever the information in this port, right? Just configure into that new port and connect it, and issue will be
mm.
resolved. And
Okay.
you can check with the vendor about this port hardware
Mm,
issue later. Okay,
yeah,
like that.
yeah.
So yeah, you may have two connections, like two
Mm,
internet connections, primary and secondary.
mm,
Primary is whenever primary goes down, then only secondary will be active. But
mm,
primary is not going down, but it is having packet losses,
mm.
right? It is not giving good internet connection. There are a lot of packet losses.
Yeah.
Now, in that case, you need to manually switch over to the ISP. How you will do
Yes.
that? By applying the route maps.
Yeah.
Okay, BGP route maps, right? Yeah,
Mm,
these things only prepared it. Okay, yeah,
yeah. Sure.
that's all, man. All good. Okay, all the best for today interview, and be
Yeah.
confident. Be confident. You
Yeah.
are saying the things correctly. You know the concepts. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, all the best. And can I upload this video in YouTube?
Ah, sure, sure.
Yeah, good, man. See you.
Yeah.
See
Yeah.
you. When is the
Thank.
interview? Evening 4 p.m.
3 p.m.
3 p.m. Acha, okay.
Yeah.
All the best and be
Yeah.
confident, okay? Okay?
Okay.
You will definitely clear it, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure, sure.
Fine, Nitya.
Thank.
Take care. Bye.
Yeah. Thanks, Ramesh.
No problem.